cats lose their cool
See it there?
for Temptation's treats.
Okay, where is it?
Safe like repair, safe like repair.
A broken windshield shouldn't wreck your schedule.
Oh,
With SafeLight,
mother.
it doesn't have to. We'll come to you for free, wherever it works for you. So you're
Oh,
able
I
to do
wish
your
I
own
could
thing,
just reach it.
whatever that is.
Oh,
Okay.
SafeLight's complete mobile service can repair, replace, and recalibrate, even in your driveway. It's your windshield. Get it fixed your way. SafeLight. For free mobile service, go to safelight.com.
Safe like repair, safe like replace.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird.
okay, that's well. Why are you doing that? About the bird. Murder is the word about in my mouth. Dumb. Ran right into it, he just blew it up. He's like, yeah.
Hey Mom, now that I'm having after school job, I think I want to buy a drum kit.
Okay, Rockstar. Let's look at your account. When kids start making money, Chase has easy-to-use tools and expert bankers to help them learn how to manage it.
Next month, I'll buy the bass drum and the cymbal. Noise canceling.
Everything. Help kids save, budget, and build financial independence all with Chase. That's good for kids. Chase branch and get started.
Like a wolf pack. Like a wolf pack. surrounds it and just fucking fucks it up. Okay. This guy just fucks it up. He knows that.
Hey, Bubba, stay.
Okay.
All that sprawl is disappearing too.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Did I give you a shot?
Oh, okay, gotcha.
He got the disc.
Let me see. Come here. Oh my gosh.
What?
Where you run?
Sorry.
That's the effects of surfing bird.
Sure is, kiddo. Man, am I
Playing
glad
surfer bird.
you okay?
This was crawling with sprawl and snow parade when you
Awesome.
Luckily, we had a few squads of runners here to fend them off.
I
Imagine my hands were a bit
Dancing
tied.
tonight. I know how fucking messed up you are.
It worked.
Well, they took care of that freak smasher up there, so it should be safe to head back.
Oh, yay.
Listen to the
It
surfing
was
bird.
regenerating. I think they're evolving.
Okay.
We saw something similar down here.
This guy is not
This
actually
battle will
allowed
get
to
a whole
explain
lot
that
harder.
shit. It's
I
actually
knew
that
you hit the
funny.
ground running when I signed you up.
It's that funny. It's that funny.
And I'm glad I did.
V2K is
Meet me back at the line when you're ready.
still talking. Oh no, okay. He's gone. Oh, okay, so he just says that he knows how to fight in such a way that it's funny because he just goes fucking shooting everything.
Business.
Just sprays it.
The line. This is the gun range for weapon maintenance and upgrade. Remember, routine maintenance saves lives.
Yeah, okay. Okay, that's why he does that.
Hi, care to look at the goods?
Surfing bird. That is orange. No, I'm not. Now I'm white. With stripes. What the fuck did they change my clothing? I didn't want to wear this. Bring that. What are they doing? Okay. What are they doing to me? Changing my clothing. Okay, I know, right? They stripped me of clothes, put me in something else. Without this fucking, yeah, that's why many times we have to keep explaining that this is a... Okay.
Select on the screen what you want to craft. Hey, with harvest, out
And,
it comes.
please don't want him telling him that.